In analytic applications, a filter line is a widget that enables users to apply filters for multiple dimensions to tables and charts. In this example, our app is set up so we can toggle between a table and a chart that display data based on the same data source. We'll set up a filter line so we can change the contents of these widgets. We'll start by adding a filter line to the canvas. We can set up the properties for the filter line in Builder mode of the Designer panel. Here, we'll set the table widget as the source, and then choose which dimensions users will be able to filter on. At this point, the filter line is configured to filter the table. However, because our app is also set up to display data in a chart, we need a way to pass the filters selected for the table to the chart as well. In the Outline panel, we'll add a script to the onResultChanged event for the table. Here, we'll start by having the console log the onResultChanged event. Keep in mind that we can press Ctrl+Space to get content assistance as we build the formula. We'll select the console, add the log function, specify the event we want to log, and end the statement with a semicolon. Next, we'll add a series of statements that will copy the dimension filter for each of the dimensions configured in the filter line from the table to the chart. We'll select the chart, add the getDataSource function, and then add the copy dimension filter from function. We'll select the table as the source from which we're copying the filter, get the data source again, and specify the location dimension. We'll repeat the statement for the other 3 dimensions in the filter line. Now we can save our changes and run the application. When we click the filter line, we can apply multiple filters. First, we'll filter on location, and then on Sales Manager. The table updates as each filter is applied, and the filters are displayed in the filter line. If we toggle to show the chart instead of the table, the same filters apply. Thanks for watching.